Good morning to Rural Living with Paul and Gwen. It's a beautiful day today. I think about 18 degrees. Bearable. Oh, there's chipmunks. The shed's infested with chipmunks. Give me a second here. Gotta get in the prison. Hi, ladies. What's up? What's going on? Hey? Let me turn this fan off. Are you getting a bit chilly willy? Hey? Should I show the people what I've done in here to make you comfortable? I put this wall up. Repaired the shelf. I'm going to start in here now for the winter time. I'm going to seal all that up with all the board I got from the barn. I'm going to repurpose it. I'm going to fix all this up, make it look half decent. Right, ladies? Hey? See, I've started on this side. Just going to finish this side here and leave the rest. I'm more concerned about this room here for the winter time. So I got to figure out all that metal, and there's nothing to nail onto the bottom. I'll figure it out. I just run a board across the bottom, and it's doable. I'll have to take all this stuff down again, but I can just as easily put it back up again, if not a better configuration. Because that's kind of ragtag. I don't like that. That's kind of Mickey Mouse. And that too. And that big time. Right, Tony? You're not too happy with the state of things in here? Hey? Yeah? Yes, I know. Come here. Pauline, what's going on? Hey? Floppy? You wanting a treat? You wanting a treat again? Hey, Tony? Say hello to all the people out in the world. You're stars. The three amigas. Sometimes the three stooges. Tony, what's on? What are you doing on one foot for? What's going on? Hey, are you a seagull? I know. It's tough, isn't it? Pauline being a chicken. So yeah, I know this wood's kind of thick, but it's originally from one of the pens in the barn, which I'll never use. So I'm repurposing it. To buy wood nowadays, it's out of the question. And all this wood was milled originally. I'm surmising, so it'll look nice in here. And the biggest thing is to make it nice and warm for the birds. Can only do so much. Okay, they're ignoring me. How are you, Tony? You gonna talk to me? You gonna talk to me? Hey? So we got one egg here from Floppy. And I think she's getting ready to do her thing. So I'll leave her to it. Okay, on that note, you folks have a good day. You can just take a look out the window, see if we see the cattle. No, they're in another portion of the fields. All right, I'll talk to you folks later. Have a good day. and goodbye.